Dear students, let's discuss question number 10. Taking the example of an element of atomic number 16, explain how the electronic configuration of the atom of an element relates to its position in the modern periodic table. Position means what? You have to tell about the period as well as the group, and how valency of an element is calculated on the basis of its atomic number. Very simple, guys. Just you concentrate on these two words, electronic configuration. So first you have to write the electronic configuration, and then on the basis of that configuration you have to comment that what will be its period and what will be its group. So I'm just explaining this concept. It's very simple. See, I'm taking three elements having atomic number 16. Let's take another example. Let's take it 6, and let's take one more example. So here it is 6. Here if you take, this is what, your 11, and this is what, your 3. So you first write the electronic configuration. So this is what, your 2, 8 and 6. This is what, your 2 and 4. This is what, your 2, 8 and 1, and this is what, your 2 and 1. After that we will concentrate on period. So how to find the period? First you find the period. So what to do? You see how many number of cells are present when you're writing the electronic configuration. So for this element, if you see, this is what your first shell, this is what your second shell, this is what your third shell. So the number of cells present in that particular element will give you the number of period, okay, and it will work forever. So this is what your 3 cells, so that means the period is what, 3. Here how many shells are there? 2 cells. So that means this particular element having atomic number 6 belongs to which period? Second period. If you see here, it is what, your 3 cells, so that means number of the period in which this element is present is what, 3. And if you see this element having atomic number 3, the period for that element will be what, your second period, right? Now how to find the group? So group is again simple, guys. Group, if you want to find the group, first you concentrate on valence electron. And what is valence electron? So valence electron is basically the number of electrons present in outermost shell, outermost. So this is what your number of valence electron is 6 here, it is 4 here, this one is 1 here, and this one is what, your again 1 here, right? So what you have to do, if your valence electron is either 1 or 2, the group number will be equals to the valence electron. So group number will be what? If the valence electron is 1, group number will be 1. If the valence electron is 2, group number will be 2. But if the valence electron is 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, so in between 3 to 8, including 3 and 8 also. So if the valence electron is 3, in that case your group number will be actually what? 10 plus number of valence electron. So if you see here, it is what, your number of valence electron 6, so group will be what? 10 plus 6. Here if you see number of valence electron is 4, so group number will be what? 10 plus 4, that is 14. If you see here, number of valence electron is what? 1. As I said that if the number of valence electron is either 1 or 2, the group number will be same as valence electron. So it belongs to which group? The first group. And if you see here, it is what, your, again the valence electron is 1, so again it will belong to what? First group. See guys, for this will always work. For period, you just count the number of cells, that will be your period. It will always work. For this rule, there is one exception, only one exception, and that is what, your helium. So you understand it. Helium is what? If you write the helium electronic configuration for helium, it is what? 2. So period will be what? 1, because you have only one shell. Period will be 1. But if you see the valence cell, that is your outermost shell, that is what, your number of electrons present in outermost shell is what, your 2. So its valence electron is 2. If its valence electron is 2, through this you will say that group number is 2, but actually it is not. Its group number is what? Its group number is what? 18. So this is very important, guys. Just remember about helium. For rest of the element, this will work.